Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Street Fighter error code 20301 30000417b26c75d41e9728afef498e0090. The error reads, "A communication error has occurred." As per our research, the error comes when users try to get into the game. The error prevents them from accessing the game properly. According to our research, this error is likely caused by a network issue. It may also come if the game is not updated or there's a temporary issue with the servers. The first thing we suggest is to restart your device along with your router. Once both devices are restarted, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if there is any pending update available for the game. If yes, install the update and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, then try connecting your device over a different Wi-Fi network or a mobile hotspot. After switching the network, check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, then it could be a server-side issue. In that case, wait for some time and try again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.